Hi everyone, I'm Liz and welcome back to the Bambiz channel. Today we're talking about a powerful tool for elder law and estate planning attorneys, A/B testing. A/B testing is like a scientific experiment for your Facebook ads. By testing different versions, you can see what works best and what doesn't. So why is A/B testing important? Well, let's be frank. It can save you money, improve relevance, and help you make better decisions. With the prices skyrocketing lately, you want to make sure you're maximizing your ad spend. A/B testing can ensure that your budget is spent on the most effective ads, reducing wasted money. It can also help understand what your audience prefers and helps you create more relevant ads, leading to better engagement and lower costs. But simply, data-driven decisions are always better than guessing. A/B testing helps you make your informed choices about your ads. So how do you do it? First, identify the variables. Choose what you want to test: images, copy, targeting, etc. And then test one thing at a time. You want to understand the impact of changes, so only test one element at a time. Make sure to use a sufficient sample size. We want to make sure enough people see your ads to get reliable data. And lastly, monitor and adjust, tracking the results and use what you learn to improve your ads. A/B testing is a game changer for elder law and estate planning firms. It helps you create more effective ads that connect with potential clients. At Bambiz, we specialize in helping elder law and estate planning practices like yours with digital marketing. We can help you fill your workshops, whether in person or online, and we have years of experience mastering Facebook ads to grow your online presence. If you're ready to take your Facebook ads to the next level, schedule a free 15-minute call with Bambiz today. Let's discuss how we can help you achieve your practice goals. Remember, you're only one ad away from successfully building the practice of your dreams. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so that you're in the loop for all the latest marketing trends for your practice. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you next time.